All right, guys, as you can see, here we have the Thorworx ARC 200. It comes in this nice box. We got the front label here, your Thorworx, and it comes really nice. It shows you everything you need to know about your machine, your 200 amps, and more here on the side as well. So now I'm just gonna open it up and we're gonna take a look as to what we have inside and show you all the different type of components and parts that this welder comes with. So when you first open it up, at a quick glance, you can see that it comes very well packed. You got your ARC 200 quick setup guide right here, which is great for anybody who's just starting out welding. This is a super helpful thing that everybody needs. Then you got your gloves, perfectly rated for any type of welding that you're gonna do. And then here you got your adapter. This is gonna be your key tool right here to get your welder going anywhere in your garage. It also comes with a welding mask. This is not your traditional welding mask, but it will do the job. So here we got the 25 millimeter full copper 3-meter ground. And this is such a great ground because this ground will give you the best result. And as any good welder or even just a beginner welder will know, that the best ground will give you the best results, which is very, very important in this field of work. And I'm just gonna give you guys a quick look how this ground looks and what the quality brings. So as you guys can see, so here we have the holder for the electrodes. This is a 300 amp rated holder. It will do everything you need to do when you're stick welding, and it's a great little gun, great little holder. And as you guys can see as well from this product, again, another thick wire, fully copper, absolutely beautiful, exactly what you want in a good welding machine. Okay, so now we get to the fun stuff, the main thing that we want to see, and that is your welder. So here we have our machine. It comes nicely covered and wrapped up and ready to go. And now as you guys can see, here again we have our nice beautiful thick wire for the machine. Here's your plug-in, and again you see very nice copper. And now this is going to attach to your adapter when it's needed. And then here we have the front of the machine, which looks great. I love that design. I think it looks really clean, very good. And then here you have both your ports. And then here's the overall machine. Here's your on and off button. And of course you have the great label right here, Thorworx, which looks really beautiful. And overall, this is a great little machine.